Hey guys, I'm continuing the lesson on page 475. This is on your own. So before you watch the video on this, try to solve number 2 and 3 on your own. Then watch this video to check your work and see if you got it right. So 43 plus 37. To make 43, I'm going to do 4 10s. And they already wrote it out for me here. And 3 1s. Then 37, 3 10s and 7 1s. I'm going to draw that underneath. 3 10s, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s. Now I'm going to add vertically. I'm going to go up and down to add 3 1s plus 7 1s makes 10 1s in all. And 4 10s and 3 10s makes 7 10s in all. I'm going up and down. Now, because I'm adding 10s and 10s and 1s and 1s. 7 10s is 70. 10 1s, well, that's just 10. That looks familiar. 70 plus 10 is 80. 70, 10 more than 70 is 80. So this number is 80. I'm going to write them on both places so that everything is solved. Now 62 plus 23. 6 10s and 2 1s. Let's draw it. 6 and 2 1s. 62. 2 10s and 3 1s. 2 10s, 3 1s. That's 23. So 62 plus 23. All right, now I'm going to add this way, vertically, up and down, to put my 1s and 1s and 10s and 10s together. 2 1s plus 3 1s is 5 1s. 6 10s plus 2 10s makes 8 10s. 8 10s is the same as 80. 5 1s is the same as 5. 80 plus 5 is 85. And that's how much I have it all together. 8 10s and 5 1s is 85. 85. 85. Now, some of you smarty pants are going to want to go ahead and add up and down because you've been taught that way before. But on this particular skill, you're not going to be able to because they have too many 10s. You see when I add 3 plus 7, that makes 10 1s, and I can't write 10 1s over here. So don't do it that way for this skill. Make sure that you're actually doing it the way that I'm teaching you right here, where I add the 10s and 1s separately. 7 10s plus 10 1s is 70 plus 10. 8 10s and 5 1s is 80 plus 5. I know it's a little bit different, but that's the way that this skill is teaching us to do it, to look at it. All right, here's our Think Smarter. Y'all know these are challenging, but I'm going to break it down for you so you can see. So they're showing us, using the associative property, that 28 plus 17 is the same as 28 plus blank plus 15. Well, 28 is the same right there, so I'm not going to that's the same. 17 is 15 plus, well, 15, 16, 17. Oh, I need 2 more. 15 plus 2. Okay, so that means that if I have my 15 is the same right there. Okay, those are the same. Then 28 plus 2, well, 28, 29, 30. 28 plus 2 is 30. Now I can add 30 plus 15 because 15 plus 30 more, 15, 25, 35, 45. I just counted 10s, but 30 more than 15 by adding 10s to 15. 3 plus 1 is 4, 0 plus 5 is 5, and that's the same thing I got, 15, 25, 35, 45. And the associative property just means that this is the same as this, is the same as this, and that brings us back to 28 plus 17 is 45 because it's the same as 28 plus 2 is 15. All right, like I said, these are a challenge. Okay, I don't expect all of you to know how to do it or get it right, but I challenge you to open your minds to think about it a different way. Now, 59 plus 13 is the same as 59 plus 12 plus, well, 12 and 1 make 13. Now, if I have 59 and I get one more, well, that makes 60. 59, 60. And there's my 12, same thing. 60 plus 12, well, 6 tens and 1 10 is 7 tens. 0 plus 2 is 2. So that's 72. Or I could say 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72. Counted 60 more to get 72. And my associative property tells me that 59 plus 13 is 72 as well. All right, I know this is challenging. Now, there's a little word problem here. Draw a quick picture to solve. Han has 37 shells. Jonah has 15 shells. How many shells do they have? 37. There's 37 plus 15. 15 is the same as 1 10 and 5 1s. There we go. Now, I can see that this is the same. 40, I'm going to write it down here, okay? 40 plus, well, I had 7 and 5. That makes 12 in all. 12. 40 plus 12. 40 plus 12 is 52. They have 52 shells in all because 40 plus 12 more. 4 plus 1 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. Or I can say 12, 22, 32, 42, 52. 52. Okay, that's page 475.